I've printed this at 70% scale, 75% scale. This peg is going to be very tight. What you'll want to do is put this peg on first. You can apply some pressure to it to make it snap in. I plan on painting this, so I'm not going to force it on too much. I might revise that peg a little bit. This just snaps on top. Just insert that peg into the hole. And it should click. Now the one that's on Colts doesn't have this little fishy fin. Now, it can be kind of hard to get off. I find that the best way to get this bang piece off is to rock it left and right. Like this. Starting right here. There we go. So if you're printing this in resin and you want it to be a little bit more relaxed of a fit, you could print this bigger, although again I do plan on revising this so that the gap is wider on this this catch. There's some support material under here that keeps it from snapping on how I want. But even if you don't get it on all the way, there are also the magnets to hold it. And then, again, just snap it on.